Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video we are doing a grocery haul and I'm also going to be showing you what we have planned as far as our meals go for the week. I just did dinner. That's what I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers doing, is just showing what they're eating for dinner. If you want a breakfast and a lunch, I'll be happy to do that, but today we are just doing my dinner plan for the week and the grocery haul. I'll have all the recipes linked down in the description box, so definitely check them out if you are interested. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started. So here's our grocery haul. We bought eggs, we bought big cookies. These are Evelyn's favorite. Oh my goodness. We have a ton of fruit. We bought apples. These are Pink Ladies. Chris wanted hummus and baby carrots. Just so everybody knows, Tribe is our favorite brand of hummus ever. Oh my goodness, they're so good. Raspberries. I bought some cucumbers because, I don't know, I figured we could mix it up and have cucumbers and hummus. This is my favorite cheddar of all time. Old Crock is definitely where it's at. I usually make my own guacamole, but all the avocados there were kind of yucky. And I really like this avocado. I really like this guacamole. It's really good. And then look at these big, fat, juicy strawberries, right? Like, oh my goodness. I can't wait to eat those. We got Lay's. Those are Evelyn's favorite. Smart Food, because that's my favorite. I bought a pack of instant mashed potatoes because you just never know when laziness might hit you. Some pesto. We're definitely going to have some pesto this week. Oh, bacon. This is Chris's favorite. This is like the best bacon ever. Oh my goodness. These are actually really good. I've only had these once before, but I'm definitely going to try to snack on them this week. Sweet chili pistachios. Chris wanted these, but I'm definitely stealing some. Some shredded cheese for all things. Raisin Bran Crunch. Chris wanted corn pops and Evelyn got Golden Grams. My favorite non-dairy coffee creamer. Oh my goodness. But I can't find this all the time. I only can find this sometimes in my market, but this is my favorite almond creamer in the flavor caramel. So good. Next, I have blueberries. Again, look at these like big, fat, delicious blueberries, right? Like, oh my goodness, those are so good. I have a ton of frozen veggies, just kind of like all assorted. I bought two dressing mixes. I just like to have these in the house. I do have some recipes for them this week, but these are just kind of like staples that I like to have in the house. And then we got all the mac and cheese. Oh my goodness. Evelyn wanted like 100 kind, and I figured, why not? So these are mac and cheese, or mac and trees. Oh my goodness, I love them. These are Annie's. Annie's is my favorite brand of mac and cheese, like, ever. I just love Annie's as a brand. So we got two mac and trees. We got this new vegan mac. I think this is new. I'd never seen this before. I definitely want to try it. I'm like super interested to see how this tastes. And then my favorite, I've had this a bunch, is the 4 cheese Annie's. Oh, so good. So a bunch of frozen veggies, bananas. We needed mayonnaise. What kind of mayonnaise did I get? We needed some mayonnaise. Evelyn conned me out of SpongeBob gummy snacks. Dinosaur nuggets, always a staple in this house. A ton of pouches. Whole wheat English muffins. I've really been enjoying whole wheat English muffins and Arnold oat nut bread. This is just good for, like, I don't know, just to have good bread in the house. Toast, peanut butter and jelly, you know. I did get a gallon of milk and I got some chicken over there as well. But that is my little grocery haul. Alright, so here's the meal plan for the week. Tonight, which is Monday, we're having chicken crescent rolls and some type of veggie. I have some shredded chicken left over from the weekend and I don't want it to go to waste. And I also have some crescent rolls. So we're going to make that. And actually, here's the Pinterest recipe. I'm going to have all the recipes for like everything linked down below. But you pretty much just like make this like chickeny, delicious cheesiness mixture, and then you roll up some crescent rolls and throw them in the oven. So that is tonight. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. So then Tuesday we're having honey garlic chicken, and I think I'm gonna have some of those mac and cheese that I just bought, and again like some type of veggie. I try to mix it up and I try not to have the same veggie like twice in a row, or just have as many veggies as we can throughout the week. So that's this recipe. Doesn't it look so good? Oh my god. And it's garlic, honey, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, and butter. So that is gonna be Tuesday's meal. Wednesday, actually Evelyn and I are alone. Chris is actually out with friends that night, so he's having a little boys' night. So it's just gonna be Ev and I, so I think we're just gonna do something easy and fun and have like breakfast for dinner. She loves bacon, so probably like bacon and waffles or something like that. Thursday is going to be a weird day as well. Actually, there's a lot of weird days this week. I don't know if we're going to have enough leftovers from Tuesday. Usually we always have leftovers, but I don't know if there's going to be enough leftovers for like a whole nother meal on Thursday. So if there's not leftovers, then I think we're going to have creamy Italian chicken, which is, you make this like delicious white gravy with cream cheese, creamy chicken soup, and the Italian seasoning that I bought. And I think I'm gonna have mashed potatoes with it, and again, like just another veggie. But Thursday, I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing. Friday is takeout day. Woohoo! Oh my goodness, nothing's official, but I assume we'll have takeout on Friday. Saturday, my plan is to make buffalo quinoa balls. I've talked about them before in my channel, and I think I've actually done like a full recipe on them like last year. But let me see if I can find them on my Pinterest for you real quick. But I don't know. Like I said, this week's crazy. Saturday, I actually have a tea party to go to. How fun, right? Oh yeah, here they are. They're so good, and they like really satisfy like that spicy fixin' that you need. So Saturday, I actually have a tea party to go to. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Like we get to dress up and like wear crazy hats and stuff like that. But that's like an afternoon thing, and I don't know if I'm gonna be home to cook dinner or like what we're gonna do for dinner. So who knows what's gonna happen on Saturday. And then Sunday, I am making chicken pesto again with veggies, and I serve it over linguine. You saw that I bought pesto at the market earlier today. So that is what I got for the week. And like I said, I'll have all the recipes linked down below in my description box. Okay guys, that wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested, I'm gonna link my Pinterest somewhere up here on the screen. Pretty much every recipe that I get, like even not for this video, like just everything is from Pinterest. I very, very rarely create a recipe of my own, so I definitely want to give credit where credit is due. So I'll have all the recipes linked down below in the description box, but also check me out on Pinterest if you're interested. I have a ton of food boards, fitness boards, like home decor boards, fashion boards, whatever you can think of, I probably have it. So definitely come hang out with me on Pinterest if you are interested. So I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some fun ideas, maybe to try something new. I love you guys forever, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.